Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this episode, I will discuss how India-Myanmar border villages look like and how dangerous are their villages. It is thickly forested and looks almost same like Kashmir Valley, but without any fence at border. It's an open corridor and not army guarded like Kashmir. Just think of it, that if there were another Pakistan in place of Myanmar, what trouble it could give to our nation's security. India, Myanmar is separated by river Bainu or Tiao, locally called. The red line and brown shaded area is Myanmar in the picture, and the white outline is Mizoram villages boundary. In this episode only, 12 villages of Mizoram boundary villages are shown. Please try to relish and enjoy this video in HD bigger monitor. Thank you. Keep watching. First is Shapi village, and its site is given the area of the village. Next it Maori, and look at the river downward. The river is fully, it's separating Myanmar and India, and there is no barrier, there is no wall in between, so it's totally open. Look at the valley. In order, the villages are Shapi, Maori, Chakhang, then Shiata, then Ainak, then Phushan, then Chualang, then Langban, Niatlang, Tialdongliang, Archuang, and Thatlang. These 12 villages are one by one. They are just the border village of Mizoram, sharing international border with Myanmar. Myanmar is shown in brown area with red border line, and the river is flowing through this lonely valley. But in the rainy season it becomes wilder. And you can see the number beside the village name. It's indicating the area of the village in square kilometer. So a purpose is to show how the valley looks like and how it is thickly forested. It's almost like Kashmir in the west, northern west, and but it's deserted, totally deserted, and no human life can be shown. Nothing can be seen through the forest. It's thickly vegetated, dark forest, ideal for rock climbing and mountaineering, but totally unguarded border with Myanmar. So we are, thank God that we don't have Pakistan on this side. If there was another Pakistan on this side, we might have in trouble. Thank you. Thank you for watching.